Hey, we just ordered this, our central vacuum attachments. The hose was too short. So we ordered it through a company called OVO. And it's just the attachment kit you can buy online on Amazon. So let's try her out. It's wonderful. So far, I'm pretty impressed. It's picking up everything. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's really picking up everything. Our original carpet head wasn't really working, so this one definitely does work. Oh, that's my dog Bella. Go on, Bella. Go on. Normally, she doesn't like being around a vacuum. She must be getting older. Go on, Bella. Definitely works amazing. From carpet to tile, works amazing. Plus the hose is extra long. Love it. Also has the on and off switch, which is handy.